Hey folks, Kevin with EA Home Design. We are at another kitchen project that we recently completed. I'm going to give you a quick tour into this beautiful kitchen. It looks very different. We haven't changed a lot, but we have kind of dressed it up really nicely, and I'm going to go through this and show you what we did. First of all, there was a very small island here in the middle. You will see it in the before pictures, which we give that island with an extension with legs and chairs around it for sitting, which is kind of like a breakfast area. Starting from here, I'm gonna go with the coolest feature of this kitchen that you might not have seen. This is a coffee station, hidden coffee station, which we have these doors, they call them pocket doors. As if you see, we can push them in and you can just, serve your coffee, make your coffee and all that. And when you're done, of course, you can pull the doors out and just become like a cabinet. At this point here, there was a small window, and we just changed the window to a bigger window. And these two windows, they're casement windows, which with the crank, they open up. The center window is, of course, fixed. This is a farmhouse sink. Maybe you have seen it or not, I don't know, but it's pretty nice. As we continue here, we'll see we did a wooden hood, custom wooden hood with an insert hood, range and oven at the bottom. And here we have a speed oven microwave under the counter in the island. And then coming here, we'll see the pantry with the roll-out trays. So I can show you one of them. It's great for organizing. A built-in 36-inch fridge and another pantry. Here before was a double oven, which we took it out at the end, and we kind of combined it with the range together. That created more space for the storage in the pantry. Okay folks, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram and check our next videos.